Welcome to another episode of In My Own Backyard for the Road Trip Ontario website. I'm here with
Gordana.
And we are in
Schwabenklau.
No, what's the town that we're in?
Let's not start again. Alright. We are in Kitchener.
Okay, so Kitchener is really known for Oktoberfest. Now, this year, Oktoberfest looks a little bit different because of COVID and all that garbage. So they're still managing to have a little bit of outdoor venues, some small ones, and they scattered all the bars, the German bars, throughout the city. So we're heading up to our first one for tonight. We just arrived, and this place is called
Schwabenklau.
All right, let's see what's there.
I'm the blue ticket. Oh, you have blue? Yes, please. What can I get for you?
What's the Radler?
The Radler is a grapefruit Radler. It's quite nice.
Okay, maybe I'll
We'll try it. It's sweet, right? Yeah, it's a little sweet.
We know this is going to be the splash zone, so I just warned the phone holders because they move closer as this continues, but that's all right. But we have spillage certified specialists in the house. Apple and strudel are my bets. Let's clap them in. And of course, we also need a keg. And our keg men, hi from the house, we're going to have Wunder and War here today. So we're going to stomp our feet and clap our hands and go, Wunderbar! 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 And they're going to bring their keg. Wunderbar! 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 Apron on, and we'll decide who's going to be the brave one today. That is the person that holds the spigot. So before we do, we have a couple of tools here other than Wunder and Bar. Wunder, what have you got?
That's not
Bar, what have you got? That's you. All right, the spigot. All right, so now, did we decide who's going to swing the hammer? All right, and you're going to be the brave one. That's great. That's great. Okay. So now, while we are praying, we are going to count to 4 in German. Well, and when we get loud enough, then she's going to really swing. All right, so we're going to count to 4 first, though, and that is ice, all right, so we'll try. Ice, slide, dry, shake that spigot. 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 All right. Well done. So we are going to fill up the picture.
there's the tractor.
Please raise your glasses on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Wine roses,
Located in the region of Waterloo, the city of Kitchener and the city of Waterloo is only a 75-minute drive from Toronto, making it a great place for a day trip from Toronto. One of the things Kitchener and Waterloo is known for is its amazing Mennonite community. And at the Mennonite Story Museum, you can learn all about it. Since opening its doors in 1979, guests have had the opportunity to take guided tours of the countryside and meet the Mennonite people. They hope to share the religious group's history, faith, and culture with the world.
Okay.
I think the train is coming.
Okay.
Next stop, quite literally, next stop is the train. We're taking the Waterloo Central Railway, and we're gonna go to Elmira, which is another town just north of here, I believe. So this is like one of those old classic trains. So I'm very excited about this. I think, as most of my readers know, they know that I love trains. I grew up around train yards with my mom. Do you like trains?
Yeah. No, I do love trains. Trains remind me of my childhood because I used to, whenever we travel somewhere, that was mostly by train. Sometimes by car, but mostly by train.
Because you live in a village, right? So.
Okay.
All jokes aside, the Waterloo Central Railway has been running since the 1800s, and while we don't need locomotives today as much as in the 19th century, this historic railway still makes for a fun ride. You can board the train at the St. Jacob's Market stop and then take the scenic round trip to Elmira.
Now we're just passing over Highway 85, which is our main highway linking Elmira to the rest of the Waterloo region. And don't forget to wave at all that waiting traffic. Oh, that's my favorite part, is blocking up all the traffic and waving at them as we go by.
It reminds me of that movie. What's the movie name?
Switch seats. Another railway you should check out is the Aberfoyle Model Railway in St. Jacob's downtown area. This model railway depicts southern Ontario in the late 1950s and is made to the O scale. It's a detailed aerial look with realistic freight trams as it rides through the miniature countryside, the Niagara Escarpment, and so much more. What's cool is that the room is even set up with a timed light to replicate day changing into night and night changing back to day. Very, very cool stuff. Here at the museum, you'll come across exciting exhibits that emphasize interaction. The museum also hosts events for special holidays like Halloween and St. Patrick's Day. Victoria Park is the oldest park in Kitchener, opening in 1896. The park still has some of its original features, its iron bridge, flower beds, trees, and shrubs. Victoria is not only home to the historic pavilion, a popular event and wedding venue, it's also home to Otis and Ophelia, Kitchener swans. If you've got a creative soul, then Kitchener Waterloo Art Gallery is the place to go. While Schneider House is the oldest home in Kitchener Waterloo, costume staff will show you what life was like in the early 1800s. Likewise, this historical site offers you the chance to see what life in the Waterloo region was like in the early 1900s. Built in 1853, the most prominent tenant here was William Leon Mackenzie King, Canada's 10th Prime Minister. The name Castle Kilbride pays homage to the owner and successful flax and oil producer James Livingston's Scottish hometown of East Kilbride. And finally, the Shantz family farm, which is a great place to visit, specifically during the fall for pumpkin picking. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the little bell to be notified of new videos. Also, check out the link in the blog post in the description for more info and pictures. Till next time, cheers. We'll catch you in the next video.